The XPOWER X800TF MDK is a cage dryer with a multi-cage drying hose kit. It contains a X800TF air mover, a lockable adapter, 3 flexible hoses, 3 airflow gates and 6 hose clamps. First, you can slide the adapter over the air outlet of the cage dryer. And then, you can secure each flex hose to the adapter with the hose clamps. Tighten the hose clamp with a flathead screwdriver. At the other end of each hose, attach the airflow gate by using the remaining hose clamps. Finally, you can use the cage hanger on the airflow gate to place the flex hose on a desired cage. It is preferred by groomers who desire reliable and versatile multi-cage drying equipment.